Hi, this is Alex, and this is another quick flow for you to do whenever you want to. We're going to start out in a child's pose. So knees are about mat width or any comfortable distance apart. Let's walk the hands forward. Relax the shoulders. Shift the focus to your breath. In and out through the nose. Arrive in your space, committing to being in the present moment. Let's prop up onto fingertips and then relax the shoulders down. Start to press into the fingers, soft elbows, relax down again, finding some engagement in the arms underneath the shoulders. Still quieting the mind. Soften the wrists. Long exhale. Make your way up to a tabletop. So bring your knees about hip width, hands shoulder width. Let's do 3 cat-cow. Inhale, lower the belly, press the chest forward, shoulder blades back. Long exhale, press the mat away, tuck the chin. We've got 2 more. Move so slowly. Inhale through the nose. And exhale, pull in the core. Build on our first cat-cow. Last one, best one yet. Inhale. Longest exhale. Neutral spine. Let's extend the right leg back and up. Try to keep the weight even between the palms. Extend your left arm forward. Now reach. Let's build. Lengthen the back of the neck by lowering the chin slightly. Make sure the hips are level. You might need to lower the right hip slightly. Let's reach once more. Pull in the core. And come back to tabletop neutral spine. Feel the difference between the sides. And then reach your left leg back. Level out the hips. Pull in the core. And extend the right arm forward. I've got my palm facing the left, so thumb is up. Reach, arrive, and then build. And be here for a few rounds of breath. Let's reach a little bit more, engage. Tabletop. Start to keep some of that engagement that you've built. Let's do 1 cat-cow. Inhale. And long exhale. Neutral spine. Again, reach the right leg back and up. It's only about hip height. Let's do 1 nose to knee. Press into the palms. Think cat back. And reach the leg back. Hold here for a moment. Pull in the core. Left arm reaches forward. Balance and reach. Tabletop. Notice how your body adjusts and brings itself back. Left leg back and up. Hip height. And level out the shoulders. Weight is distributed evenly throughout the palms. 1 nose to knee. Start by pressing the palms down so the spine is rounding. Forehead to the knee. And then reach your left leg back. Level out, lengthen, and establish your balance so that you're balancing on the left hand. Right arm reaches forward. And we are holding and reaching. Long back of the neck, Long breaths. Come back to tabletop, neutral spine. Let's one cat-cow, inhale. Exhale, really pull the stomach in, press the mat away like you just were doing. Neutral spine, tuck your toes and hover your knees an inch off of the mat. The core is going to fire up, the feet are stretching. Press down evenly through both palms. The elbow creases are going to rotate slightly forward, but the hands stay flat. Come back to a tabletop, but keep your core working. Puppy pose. Leave your legs there. Walk your hands about 2 palm prints forward and lower the forehead down. Straight but soft elbows. This stretches the upper back, the shoulders. Shift your weight forward and down. Find Sphinx. We're going to prop up onto forearms. So you're going to make sure they're about shoulder width distance. Press down underneath the wrists because that'll get the whole forearm engaged. Shoulders away from the ears and then pull the chest through. Release. Tuck the toes, press up to tabletop. Make it strong, but you can monitor the strength by how much you move and bend. We're in a tabletop. One cat-cow, inhale. Exhale, press everything away. Neutral spine, let's tuck the toes, hover the knees. Downward facing dog. Press it back. Move through the feet. Move through the knees. Keep an eye on the weight in the hands. Pressing down through the bottoms of each finger. Or the base of each finger. Soft bend in the knees. Let's walk up to the top of the mat and ragdoll forward fold. I'm going to bend and straighten my knees a couple of times. That helps me to warm up the backs of the legs. Toes and heels touch, round up to stand. And arrive, stand tall, weight is evenly distributed through all 4 corners of both feet. Lower the tailbone, draw the lower belly in. Just connect to the breath and all the energy flowing through your body at the moment. Inhale, arms overhead. Seal the palms, lift the gaze, and grow taller. Seal the pinky edges of your feet, your hands. Swan dive forward, soften the knees. And bend the knees. Let's sit all the way down. Extend your legs out in front of you. Let's take a staff pose for a moment. You might need blocks to help lift, but you're going to press down through the palms. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. It's like you're going to try to lift up, but you're just lifting through the torso. Lower the chin slightly. And breathe. Just a little bit at a time, that's all you need. Release. Soles of the feet come to touch. I'll turn to face you. Let's inhale. They are just a comfortable distance apart. Inhale. Exhale. Come forward. Flat back. Round back. Use a prop. Just take a moment to open up the hips, inner thighs. Connect to your breath. Sit up. Place your feet in front of you about hip width. Let's just windshield wiper side to side. And sit comfortably nice and tall. Roll the shoulders back and down. Reach your arms out to the sides. You're on fingertips. Sit up tall. You'll feel this all the way across the chest and the arms. Let's lift the left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Keep the hips even on the mat. And lift up. Leave your left arm up. Right arm meets it. Finish and inhale. And left side, hand down, and you're leaning up. Not too far over. Slow down the breath. And lift back up. Bring the left hand to meet the right. Relax the shoulders, lift the gaze. Inhale. One twist to the right. Right hand behind you, left hand to the left knee. Sit up tall. And arms through center, lift. Inhale. Keep that length, twist to the left. Left hand behind you, right hand to the knee, and you're just going to assist with both hands, the lengthening and the twisting. And back to center, float both arms so far wide, so far overhead. Inhale. Long exhale down through heart center. Gratitude for your practice, gratitude for taking even just a little bit of time for yourself. Thank you for joining me. See you soon. Namaste.